Hi everyone, my name is Sharon Banu Bacha. In the Diploma of Business Management program, there are a variety of modules that our students learn. Out of the 12 modules, I'd like to speak about 3 modules that are important for students. The first one is emotional intelligence, and this module helps students to learn to become empathetic adults. The second module that I would like to talk about is critical thinking, which teaches students to solve problems more at an in-depth level than at the surface level. And finally, we do have personal development. This module will teach students to project themselves more professionally and to carry a very positive attitude and behavior in a workplace setup. We have students come from many countries from Southeast Asia, India, Sri Lanka, Mongolia, Bhutan and China. So when students from different cultural backgrounds come together in a classroom, it is a very challenging setting in terms of the cultural exchanges that students could have. And we set assessments and in-class activities where there is a lot of team interaction. So students are growing in a very conducive environment, and along the way they are also able to form a beautiful friendship. The students can align with current industry trends with in-demand skills like business communication, like if they have to start a business or even join a workplace where a business is being run. Then very importantly, problem solving skills, project management skills and leadership. So these are the top in-demand skills these days in the workplace. Some of our top students have been quite successful in landing good jobs in the industry. Now for the other quite normal student projects that are the outcome of DBM would be like business plans, then finance reports that students are asked to create for their assessments. And we also do have some exemplary reports for many of our subjects, like for problem solving or any of these project management reports that they are doing in DBM. Our Diploma of Business Management students can land jobs in the business management field more at the beginner's level. So they can get jobs like marketing executive, sales executive, office managers, so any of these administrative tasks. I have many reasons to give, but the topmost is that all our staff, maybe lecturers or our customer service staff, student services and marketing staff, all of them are so dedicated to our students. They go way out to take care of them and to guide them, and we nurture them in a very healthy environment. And the second thing is that our course is very well structured. So the students have to take one module per month and they take 2 assessments. So we do not have exams, and these 2 assessments are conducted either in class or it could be a take-home assessment. And where necessary, if there is a need for early intervention, our lecturers intervene to help students in both the progression in their studies as well as in the event they have any personal issues. We try to help where we can. And the next thing is that our program is EduTrust certified, and hence we have all the policies and procedures that are required to conduct this program in a very academic and a professional manner. So that's about it.